keep watching to see how to make this colorful thank you card. The supplies you need are shown here. You'll need a couple different colored pens. I linked the colors that I used below. A silver pen to outline the design, or really any color that you choose, and a pencil to draw it out. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. I've included a free template down below. Once you've finished that and are happy with the design, take your colored pens and fill in the letters. Next, I did a second coat over all of the letters to give them a bit more of a saturated color look. The final step of the card is to outline the letters in silver pen. I find that these Recollection metallic pens from Michaels, which will be linked below, are really forgiving and give a nice width of outline. And once you've outlined all of the letters, the card is complete. Unfortunately, in this light, the silver doesn't show up all that well, but it's a really nice touch that defines the letters and gives it a little bit of something special.